Hi, everybody. I'm Dr. Zainab Bora, and I have with me Dr. Aditi Sharma, who has cleared her DNB radio diagnosis practical exams. Congratulations, Aditi.
Thank you so much.
Do tell us, about your journey, and when you look back 3 years ago, how has life been for the last 3 years?
It's been a roller coaster journey, ma'am, to be
Yeah,
honest. So
yeah.
I did my UG from Kasturba Medical College, Mangalore,
Mm-hmm.
and then I wanted maybe medicine but I was going for USMLE. But
Okay.
yeah, that time I had some visa issues. So in between,
Mm-hmm.
then I decided, what if I take radiology in India and I still can go out if I want to.
Right.
So then I wrote NEET in between and I got admission in DNB in government hospital at Guru Gobind Singh Medical College and Hospital, Faridkot.
Uh-huh.
So I joined here in 2022. So once I joined radiology, initially I was very happy.
Mm.
But after that, after for first year, I was questioning my decision because
Mm.
it's a subject which we don't have much exposure. So it's totally different
Correct.
than
Yeah.
ultrasound, CT, MR, X-ray. Everything was very new. X-ray still we see in
Yeah.
UG, but nothing else. So then I
Mm.
kept on figuring out. So I picked up some books and
Yeah.
tried to get a hang of it. Then after 1.5 years, when I was into my residency, then I you started this conceptual radiology app.
Yeah.
So that was such a lifesaver because we have only two PGs are here in a
Okay.
program. It's a 1200 plus bedded hospital,
Wow.
and we have a lot of onco cases as well here, na?
Mm.
For CT and MR.
Okay.
So it was very hectic for us.
Mm.
Like almost like 36 hours on calls alternatively for first 1.5 years we were doing. So
Okay.
there was no time to study. So
Mm.
then last April I bought subscription of Conceptual. I started watching your videos. At that time, and then you got this books also by December and Jan.
Yeah.
So before my exam, by I think June we had our exams. So by March, I was watching some videos initially, but consistently I started in March.
Mm.
And once my books had come and I was watching the notes and all, I was reading the notes with the
Yeah.
videos. But once the books came, I started summarizing everything at one place. So I had this one
Right.
big resource.
Mm.
So for theory, like for 25 days to 30 days, like 20 days back, we got relieved.
Mm.
For 25 to 30 days, I started reading all the PYQs. They all are annotated at the one place.
Right.
There was no other resource which had that.
Mm.
So I watched all the 8 to 10 years papers,
Mm.
and I read all the notes, all the question and answers. So and I made them system wise. So I had at the end I had only I had 400 plus questions. So I read all that from
Yeah.
the notes.
Yeah.
Yeah, and from videos, like additional things I added from the videos, whichever I think I was not understanding from
Right.
the notes.
Right.
Then for practicals, I watched all the DNB OSCE videos and some other spotters I watched. So they were almost around 35
Yeah.
videos there.
Yeah.
So that really helped us with the. And then IR was there, Dr. Akhil sirs, and
Yeah.
one video of yours. So
Yeah.
that covered almost everything. So otherwise, it would have been very difficult for us. So it was one resource which gave me everything at one place.
Amazing. Thank you so much, for the kind words and for the vote of confidence also that, we're doing something right. So I'm very glad that it helped. If we can talk about your practical exam, what were the cases that you got? How was the experience? And how was the center that you got as the exam?
Okay.
And, DNB exams typically have this reputation of being very tough, very high failure rate. So, when you look back, what do you think? Was it as grilling as you expected it to be?
Uh, First of all, ma'am, we had this one resource with
Yeah,
us. So because there were no other resources कि जिसमें वो आपको पूरा simulate करके आप देख सकते हो. तो
correct.
OSCE का if you have studied from here or whatever resource like someone is using, तो वो उसमें थोड़ा edge मिलता है. आप जो भी
Mm.
resource you are using, you should finish it,
Yeah.
before that. So our practical is very structured. So first 20 were the OSCE questions. For each OSCE, were 4 to 5 minutes. So one
Yeah.
and a half hours almost we spent with OSCEs.
Mm.
So some were like repeated topics, but some were
Mm.
like new topics. But first 10 were a little difficult, but rest 10 were like very doable.
Okay.
So that was OSCE. Then we have two long cases, and I got a temporal bone trauma case
Okay.
as one long case, and the other was a spen in pancreas.
Okay.
Some young 23-year-old female was there,
Yeah.
and the discussion went on like how like description mostly. So
Mm.
I think if you've seen the videos, like if you know about the pancreatic
Mm.
lesions, like you know all like your flow charts and all,
Yeah.
so you would remember कि ऐसा है
Mm.
फिर उसमें एक तो DDs, so it mostly went in description and DDs.
Right.
So that is like, so that was quite doable.
Mm.
So that was there, and then after that we had short cases, a lot of spotters, which I think you this app has I think around 500 plus spotters.
Mm.
So a lot of them were like from there only. Then
Yeah.
I had got this one case, approach to a short case, approach to a mediastinal mass.
Right.
So I had watched one of your videos, so I
Yeah.
could like give the approach and DDs, and they asked me all my viva went there.
Yeah. Yeah.
Then IR may they did not ask us much, but it was mostly on the biopsy needles and all.
Mm.
So it was quite doable.
Yeah.
But I think it depends on your hard work, but luck
Yeah.
factor is also there.
Yeah. No,
Because
amazing. I mean, I think you obviously use the app very well, and in the end, it feels like everything was covered,
yeah,
So that's a very nice feeling, and you get that confidence that all right, I know this topic, overall. बाकी तो हमने काम करा है तो आपको याद आ ही जाती है चीजें. If you worked hard for your 3 years, ultimately it all adds up, right?
yeah, I feel it's very important to see
Yeah.
cases and like report even like and then
Yeah.
I remember one of your videos you've said like like if someone is not saying, so you told that just you need just one person, you write your reports and show it to them.
Yeah.
So it's like it's always gives you an advantage because in
Correct.
our center we have all like, so we get individual CT and MR reporting.
Okay.
So if it gets checked, so it obviously gives you an edge.
Yeah, yeah. Definitely. I think as early, first year, second year JRs, you definitely need somebody to check so that you know what you have missed, that is the more important learning rather than what you have picked up, what have you missed. And that's the best teacher, I feel, your own cases that you have reported. So, very, very happy to speak to you, Aditi. And what plans ahead now?
I am interested in breast imaging and women's
Uh-huh.
imaging, so I might want to go
Yeah,
do some fellowship. And I'm also
right.
interested in teaching, so
Amazing. Yes, that's great.
I'm inspired by you.
Yeah, thank you so much. I mean, it's a great thing, and especially in radiology, I think when you teach, you grow yourself and you learn more and more through teaching. So, you are welcome to join us on conceptual radiology
Yeah, ma'am.
now.
Thank you
Yes,
so much.
on the other side now. So, yeah, many congratulations and see you soon.
Thank you, ma'am. And one more thing, ma'am, we are like, they started this DNB program
Yeah.
since 2018. So, it's two of us right now.
Mhm.
So we are the first batch to clear our
Wow.
DNB theory and practical in one go.
Amazing. Many congratulations. I think that's a great thing, because uh, to not have seniors is a whole different challenge altogether because you have to navigate everything on your own. So you've managed to do that.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thanks to you.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much. Great, great talking to you, Aditi.
Thank you,
Bye.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye.